We're on the home stretch of the Corvair floor replacement. All that's left is to get the sound deadening in, make our new carpet fit, so cut the shapes where they need to be, seats back in, and we're ready to see things get together here. With the floors painted and thoroughly clean, it's time to start thinking about sound deadening. I'll be using this sound deadener that I found online for $60 for 36 square feet. It replaces this nasty horsehair sound deadener that was under the carpet from the factory that did nothing more than hold moisture and cause rust. Say goodbye to that and install this. Installing this sound deadening is incredibly easy. You just peel off the backing paper, place it where you want, and then you want to form it to the contours of the floor using a roller. I made this really awesome one out of a piece of bar stock and an old timing belt pulley. Seems to do the job pretty good of working it into all the nooks and crannies. With the sound deadener all in place, I can start trimming out the interior with some new carpet. I went the frugal route on the carpet. I found this indoor-outdoor rug at a local home improvement store for about $15. So I cut it out to fit, stuck it down with some Super 77, and I think it turned out pretty well. Next, I can turn my attention to cleaning up all of the interior vents. I thought I would go, instead of the factory black, to a very fetching shade of silver. A big improvement, if you ask me. Then the vents are installed, along with the floor mats and the seats. But there is one small problem. This tear in the front seat ruins the entire job. Something must be done. Rather than shell out hundreds of dollars for new seat covers front and rear, I figured I'd spend $80 on some really cool saddle blanket seat covers that match the car nicely. The inside of the car is clean, and so must the outside be. It's covered in a nice layer of detritus that's left over from construction. It's nice and clean and looking serene. All buttoned up, and the Corvair wagon is ready for camping. I think it's time to climb inside and take this little mattress for a test drive. Hello viewers. If you'd like to stay up to date on my camp wagon revival and see me revive other cars that have been forgotten about, click here. If you want to stay up to date on all the other projects that I've got going on, be sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. Try to post as often as I can. Also, if you like guitars, check out my other channel here. I buy and sell old guitars, and the weirder the better. I have the same taste in cars as I do guitars. So thanks. Keep watching.